Hello everyone. This is your teacher friend from the Philippines. This is James, the PH teacher, for another FlushTube video update. And this is FlushTube 91, and this will be my part 2 of my mid-year whip parade, which I will be featuring or sharing my Fancy Ladies whips that I have worked on for this year. So how is everyone? Today is Friday. It's evening here in the Philippines, and as you can hear in the background, you will hear some noise or chirpy noise of crickets. So I hope you will not be distracted on that noise. And today's Friday evening, and thank you very much for those who have watched my first part of my mid-year whip parade. Thank you very much for those who like and made comments, and especially to those who have newly subscribed to my channel, and it has now reached more than 2,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for giving me this gift for my 5th year in FlushTube, or my 5 years of my FlushTube channel here in YouTube. So from the very bottom of my heart, thank you very much everyone who have subscribed, and I hope that you will continue to support my channel and follow the journey of my cross stitch, or follow the progress of my whips, and continue sharing this this channel or my channel on your stitchy friends. And for today's video, as I've said a while ago, that I will be sharing to you my Fancy Lady whips that I've worked on for this year 2026. When I was checking out on how many Fancy Lady whips that I've stitched, I only have 5. So I made a list, and I only have 5 Fancy Lady whips. And based on when comparing on the year 2024, I made a lot of new starts of Fancy Ladies, and then on the year 2025, the next year, my stitching in Fancy Ladies slowed down because I was focused on stitching my full coverage whips. And then this year also, I was very focused on stitching full coverage, because I have this challenge that I mentioned on my previous video. So just to make this video a bit long, because it would take 10 minutes for me to finish this video only on the Fancy Lady whips that I've stitched on. So what I will do now is I will be sharing to you my previous Fancy Lady finishes that I have not yet FFO'd, and then the next will be my the 5 Fancy Ladies that I've worked on, and then I will also be sharing some of my Fancy Lady whips wish list that I would probably stitch, or I wish to stitch this remaining months of 2026. So let's start first with my first finish of a Nora Corbett, and this is Geranium, and this is stitched on a 16 count light blue Zweigart fabric, and this is the finished Geranium. So on this whip, I think I finished this one last year, and this whip I did not purchase any beads, and also the metallic threads. I just look out at my stash and choose whatever I have or if not, if it's not, I'll just choose bead that is looks the same, with the same color. So this is the geranium. Next is a Bella Filipina Fancy Lady, and this is the portrait of Maria Clara. This is one of my earliest finish, and this is stitched on a 16 count Aida fabric, and this is the finished portrait of Maria Clara. So I did really love her face, and it's quite big. So this is stitched on a white Aida fabric. So that's the portrait of Maria Clara. The next Fancy Lady is I joined the first ever stitch along of Bella Filipina, and this is the Mermaids of the Seasons, and this is stitched on a 14 count Aida dyed by yours truly. So I finished this one on 2025 after, yes, 2025. So it's also my first stitch along that I finished. So that is Mermaid of the Seasons. Next is a Bella Filipina finish, and this is Goddess Aphrodite. It's also a big, very big. So I will be standing. So this is Goddess Aphrodite. This is stitched on a 14 count Aida fabric, and really enjoyed this very beautiful and very intricate pattern. So this is Goddess Aphrodite from Bella Filipina. Another Bella Filipina is Nereid Galatea. This is also stitched on a 14 count Aida fabric, and this is 2/1. So all of my Fancy Lady that is in 14 count are 2/1. So this is the finished beautiful Nereid Galatea. Next is another Bella Filipina, and this is Reina Mariposa. And again, this is stitched on a 14 count Aida fabric, 2/1. And my latest finish of Bella Filipina is Queen Sari. This is also stitched on a 14 count Aida fabric. So still hand dyed by me. Beautiful. Those are my Fancy Lady whip finish, just to probably make inspiration for myself to finish some of my Fancy Lady whips, and also brings inspiration, or yes, brings inspiration for my for you, the watchers, to try or stitch Fancy Ladies. Now let's go to my whips, my 5 whips that I've worked on for this year. The first one is from Mirabilia, and this is Princess Eliana, and this is still stitched on a 14 count Aida fabric, and this is now the progress. So that is so far my progress. Next is another Bella Filipina whip, and this is Aquila, the Queen of the Skies, still stitched on a 14 count Aida fabric. I am doing this mandala type of design at the back, this circle one at the back of Aquila, which are mostly beads and metallic threads. So far, here's the progress of Aquila, Queen of the Skies. Next is a Mirabilia, and this is Rose Celebration. This is stitched on another 14 count Aida fabric. And this is so far the progress. Actually, I was working on the bouquets that, or the flowers that she is holding. So I think it's already done. And so far this is the progress. Next is another Mirabilia, and this is the Dreamer, which was my focus piece. Which is my focus Mirabilia whip this year. And so far this is the progress. And the portion that I added are the bouquet, and this dress is in part of our dress. So far this is the progress of Aquila. So far this is the progress of the Dreamer, which is also stitched on 14 count Aida fabric. And lastly, which is unusual for me to have a new start of Fancy Ladies, but I did start a new Fancy Lady, and this is the Poison Apple. And so far this is the progress. So I just stitched this one at least 4 times, 4 to 5 times just this year. So those are my whips, and I hope that I'll be able to touch and stitch for the rest of this year. This time, these are my wish list that I am hoping to stitch. And the first one is from Bella Filipina, and this is Lakapati. And so far this is my progress. This is stitched on a 14 count Zweigart fabric. Start my stitching Fancy Ladies, I usually start stitching the face. So far this is the progress of Lakapati. The next one is from Bella Filipina, and I forgot her name. She is a witch. And so far this is the progress. I'll just put out the name of this design. Next is Mirabilia, and this is Nightingale. And so far this is the progress of Nightingale. This one is a mermaid from Bella Filipina, and this is, I also forgot her name. I'll just put out the name on the screen. And so far this is the progress. And then another Bella Filipina, and this is the Phoenix Queen. Love the colors of her. And then we also have another Bella Filipina, which is Orduha, which is a very, very beaded mermaid. And so far, this is the progress of Orduha. Lastly, a Mirabilia, which is Miss Cherry Blossoms. Stitch on 14 count Aida fabric. So most of my fancy lady whips are on 14 count, so I am comfortable on stitching 14 count and 2 threads. And because of the beads, especially Bella Filipina designs have more beads, so that I have no difficulty on putting out the beads, especially when the beads are are crowded. So those are my whips, my finishes, and my wish list. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and next week on my next Flush Tube update, I will be doing a regular Flush Tube video update of my whips. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and happy stitching, everyone.